So here we have your hip adduction machine and abduction machine. I want to show you how to set it up for your hip adduction. So we're starting with the legs wide and bringing the legs in. The first thing we want to address is your backrest. Your backrest on the adduction should be a little bit more upright. So this setting would be ideal for that. The second thing is your lever to increase the range of motion. You pull it, you bring the legs in, we're not going to get much range of motion. If we open it and we set it, for example, to your number 4 setting, now we're going to increase the range of motion. To get in it, it's a little bit tricky. If you want to set it wide, you can do it like this. My suggestion with most of my clients are bring it in first, get your legs over the pad, so get the pads facing the inside of your leg, okay? At which point, you can pull the lever and open up as wide as you can go. From here on, you have tension all the way through range of motion.